Hi, my name is Alex Astor from Trellis Fine Florals in New York, and this is all about long-stemmed roses. So a lot of people want to know, what is a long-stem rose? What makes it long-stemmed? Why is it so popular? Why is it so expensive? Well, roses have been in existence for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they have been bred especially by what are called rosarians. There are many, many different famous rosarians throughout the ages, and they have bred them to have different special attributes. This one here is a 40-centimeter long-stemmed rose. It's called Blizzard. And this particular rose has been bred to have very minimal thorns, if at all. It has a very true white color, also called a diamond white, and it's quite gorgeous, and it's 40 centimeters. Our next rose is called the Engagement Rose, and it is 50 centimeters. And it has a beautiful ballet pink bud, and it has minimal thorns as well. The rose after that is called Deja Vu, another 50-centimeter rose. And this tall guy over here is a 60-centimeter rose, and he's called Matilda, and he has an antique burgundy bloom. Now, their value lies in the length of their stem. The longer the stem, the more expensive the rose is going to be. And around Valentine's Day, a dozen of these long 60-centimeter roses can reach upwards of $225. So you want, obviously, this rose to last as long as possible. So what you should do when you get it home, if you've been lucky enough to be given a dozen of these, you want to clip off about ½ an inch, not too much, because it was expensive for the stem, ½ an inch, so the rose can drink freely again and change out the water every few days. That's for the 60-inch in all of these. Clip them and put fresh water. What a long-stemmed rose is not is this is a garden rose, bushy, bloomy, fluttery petals, or a tiny spray rose with lots and lots of blooms. So you see the difference in how it's been formed and bred by rosarians. Long-stemmed rose, spray rose, what you might find in the garden. It's beautiful, but it's just a different breed. So, my name is Alex Astor, and this has been Long-Stemmed Roses.